what year is this again?
It's a 2015.
2015 CVO Limited. Okay. So this is perfect. He brought me some bugs. Okay. Couple here. We always know we get slammed on the lowers. Black paint, freshly ceramic coated. It's beautiful. So he's not going to make the mistake where a lot of bikers do, where they take a quick detailer and a towel and try to wipe these off. He's going to wash it safely, but we're going to do the hack. If you look over here, we got our intake hose. I put a little weight on it to keep her down in there. Works hydro shot, 15-degree spray pattern. Come right in. Do this in the hot sun. It's not going to dry and leave any water spots. Gonna reprime here. Yep. So fresh ceramic coating. We can get in here close, John. Let's see if we can get one right here. See if it shows a hit. Look at that, blows right off because he has good protection on this bike. It's just coming around. So much safer than using a towel and a quick detailer. My neighbor doesn't like me making videos apparently. But right up in here even, perfect around the court. Little fender, look at that water bead. Come right in. So we still, I don't know, I've still got half a bucket left. It's not using a whole lot of water. This will probably reach. Look how long the hose is with it. Get some dust. Knock that off. Chrome. We're gonna watch it dry out here. But let's show the other little hack they give you. This is pretty cool. So I have distilled water in a 2-liter bottle. Let's ditch the hose completely and the bucket. Screw this on. So John could go for a ride at night, walk in his garage, grab his 2-liter distilled water, let it prime, and walk completely hose free. So I'm supporting the bottle because it's a little weak. Let's see let's change this to a 0-degree tip. So now I put it on a 0 degree. I don't want to spray it around the engine. But look at that jobber there. That's good for if you're hitting off some really nasty stuff. Let's stay, I like the 15 a little bit better. Let's go around the back of the bike. See if you got any dust. Not really bugs on the front, but John notices probably with the ceramic coating, the bike stays cleaner than bikes next to it. Had he not had a coating, it just doesn't repel the dirt and dust as easy. That water's falling right off. You don't want to spray on the hot pipe, it's going to help it. As John probably remembers from washing bikes in the past, chrome is notorious for water spots. When that hard water from your home would dry and leave water spots. Absolutely.
With this, you don't have to worry about it. So we're going to let this sit in the hot sun for a minute. That's it. And that 2-liter, I sprayed for about 30 seconds there. That worked pretty good. Pop that back off. That is it. Guys, these are $129 plus tax at Menards. Comes with a 20-volt battery and charger. I had it fully charged. I hit the test there. We still got 3 bars. So this way you could wash a whole car or truck like this, or a couple motorcycles with 1 battery. But save your paint, save your time. You guys will love it. It's kind of fun, like a big squirt gun squirting off the bug. So we've been standing out here talking for a couple minutes. It's drying in the hot sun, but no water spots. There's not going to be any minerals left behind. If you have any questions, comment below. You guys will love this hack. All right, one last Works Hydro Shot distilled water plug. You motorcycle guys will love this because you have been for years scratching up your front fairing and lowers with using quick detailers and trying to get those bugs off. You can pull the vehicle in, a motorcycle, after a ride, even in the hot sun, and spray it off with distilled water that I have in this bucket. Get a couple jugs from any store. It must be distilled water, not purified, not drinking, not filtered. Must say the word distilled. That's very important.
But you motorcycle guys can pull in, spray the bugs off, and walk in the house and let it air dry. No water spots. We always know that it's safest to wash out of the sun in the shade because we're racing time in your tap water from home drying on the paint and glass, leaving ugly water spots that you'll see in these pictures here. But with distilled water, it's a hack. It does not have the minerals in it that are going to leave those stains after the water evaporates. So let's do a quick little science lesson here in Sandusky, Ohio. This little cup here is my tap water from my hose. It should be about 128. Yep, it's reading 116. So I actually came out of the spigot a little cleaner today. For us to have a spot-free rinse water, it must be between 20 to 30 parts per million of solids. And we are way over that threshold there. But we're pretty good up here in Sandusky. In places like Florida, they might be 400 or 500 parts per million. It's horrible. It will ruin that paint in minutes. Now, distilled water here that I have in the bucket should read close to 0. Let's reset it. So I just reset my TDS meter. These are cheap on Amazon for about 15 bucks. Dunk that in the bucket and our reading is 1. So I might have had a little bit of water in there from before, but so 1 is perfect. Anything below 20 or 30, like I said, will give you a spot-free rinse. So he's gonna pull up. I already have the Works Hydro Shot primed. I put a little weight on the end of the filter, but all it is an intake hose and all you need is a bucket of water. Again, distilled water only. When you're spraying on a car or motorcycle, little safety lock on it, squeeze the trigger and we're spraying. What's cool is on the end of these, they have adjustable spray pattern nozzles. So there's a 15 degree, which is perfect for bugs, 0 for like a laser pinpointer. It's not real hard, but you really don't want to be spraying that on a motorcycle to get in around the engine, electronics, or anything like that. So don't really go below 15. The bigger patterns are more for just rinsing something off. So we'll try it on the 15 degree. He'll pull up and we'll start hitting some bugs. What's really cool is you could put a couple of gallons of distilled water in a bucket and pull from that so that you have more runtime out of it. The Works Hydro Shot has upped their game and it comes with an adapter. So you can put distilled water in a pop bottle and pop that right on the gun. So we'll do that in a couple minutes. I'll show you how that works. So you can be completely tube hose free, bucket free. You just walk out with a 2-liter bottle hanging from your sprayer. It's a little cumbersome, but it's really not too bad. We'll wait for John to pull in with his beautiful Harley that I just ceramic coated a few weeks ago, and we'll see how this works. You'll find that the bugs come off so much easier if you have a protective coating on your vehicle. So the ceramic coating on the bike is going to repel and let that rinse off, just like if you had a brand new frying pan with a slick coating on it. A good wax sealant ceramic coating will make cleaning much easier. If it's just native virgin paint with no protection on it, those bugs are going to want to stick and hold on.